Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about an alternative to what you might do at a boot camp. If you're dealing with low back pain, this may be a good alternative to doing just a bunch of squats or a bunch of bench press or push-ups and other exercises you may see. So the equipment you're going to use is a foam roller. This one's a little different than you may see. A typical foam roller is perfect. The black ones, there's going to be a 10 to 15 pound dumbbell, a Versaloop or a round rubber band type of exercise equipment, and then also a physio ball. So these are typically what you may see at even a park boot camp. So the first one we're going to do is an opener. It's a stretch. You're going to take your foam roller, you're going to lay it down next to your mat, and we're going to lay on our side, and you want to think of lower leg is straight, top leg is bent 90 degrees. So you're going to be 90 degrees at the hip, 90 degrees at the knee. And you're going to lay that knee and the lower leg just right there on top of the foam roller. You're going to lay your back so that your scapula or that your shoulder blades are both touching the ground. And you want to do just a few openers to start. So what we're going to do is we're going to face our palm towards that way, and then we're going to go palm down. And as I go down, you want to just feel that shoulder blade come back to the ground. So we're here to here, and you're going to do that 5 times. Just nice and easy, opening the body. You want to use your other hand to hold your knee to the foam roller. Try not to let that lift too much. It's a nice way to open up the whole body. So it's 5 times, back and forth, and then you switch sides. And that's it, 5 times. We're going to take the foam roller away. We're going to get your band here, and we're going to put it in between your wrists just like this, and we're going to be doing a lunge with a rotation. So the way that I like to see the lunge done is where we keep the knee behind the foot. We're not allowing the knee come forward. We're trying to come down straight and not allowing that knee to come forward too much. Nice upright posture. And then what you're going to do is lunge down, keeping your arms a little wide with resistance, and you're going to rotate all the way, and we're going to come back to center and come back up, and you're going to do 5 times on each side. 5 times on each side. What you're really feeling with that too is as you're lunging, you're feeling a nice stretch in the psoas or the hip flexor, and you're also feeling with the rotation even more in the transverse of the abdominals. So you're feeling this nice opening of the stomach. It's really good for the back. You want to keep that nice tall posture. To work on a little extension of both the shoulders and the back, we're going to get to bird dogs. So you're going to get on all fours. You're not getting kind of hunched. Nice and neutral here. And we're going to be working opposites. Trying to keep that nice straight plank with the arms and legs. And you really want to emphasize on your leg is as you come up, activating the glute. Try not to use too much leg. You don't want to look like this. You want to really fire off the glute, get that straight leg, and then use the arm as well. Really nice and positive for the cross crawl. Helps the brain kind of engage as well. So that's the next exercise. So we're going to get into rows after that. Get your 10 or 15 pound dumbbell. If you have a bench, great. If you don't, totally okay. What we're going to do is get that dumbbell, and we're just going to come up 5 times. 5 times. You can incorporate a little bit of a twist, and the main emphasis on this is you don't want to see your shoulder come like this. One of the biggest mistakes with the row. We want to really emphasize the whole shoulder blade rotating to the back. The whole shoulder blade. So you almost want to feel that wing. If you want to visualize the wing in the back, you want to see the whole thing do this instead of doing this. So again, we're not doing this, we're coming back like this with the row. So you want to do about 5 on each side. We're then going to take your physio ball. We're going to put your feet against something like a tree or a wall if you have it. If you don't, that's okay. Just a nice little ab. You're going to put it right against your chest. And just like a butterfly, we're going to stand up a little bit, rotate your arms up, elbows back down, arms up, rotate back down, arms up, back down, arms up. And again with the butterfly, it's all about keeping those back of your hands together and then bringing in through your elbows. And the whole time, you want to feel the glutes really activate. The activation of the glutes is really what keeps you in that good extension. If you don't do that, you're really going to feel stress on your lower back. So really activate the glutes, keep yourself upright. The last exercise is we are doing a lot of encompassing of the back, glutes, nice stretch. Then we're going to get into the sides here. And that's going to be your side plank. You're going to pretend like you're sitting in a chair on your side. Elbow here. If you have a little bit of a shoulder complaint, this will still be okay. It's not a lot of stress on the body. We're going to come from the knees. So what we're going to do is while we're sitting in a chair, we're going to come up and extend, firing off the glute. Sit back down in the chair, let yourself down. Up, fire off the glute, come back down, and relax. You want to do that 5 times on each side. You're going to go through that routine 3 to 4 times with the stretching included. At the end, you're going to feel like a great workout, get your heart rate up, and you're going to have a nice stretch for your lower back. All right.